Today, I am unboxing and setting up the HP Envy 6120E all-in-one printer. The printer arrives securely packaged with all contents well protected within the box. Included in the package are the printer itself, comprehensive setup guides, a power cable, and all necessary documentation for installation. One notable aspect is the device's sleek and contemporary design. Its clean white exterior integrates seamlessly into my home office and complements the workspace while maintaining a compact footprint. The HP Envy 6120E is a compact, all-in-one printer enabling users to print, scan, and copy from a single unit, making it highly suitable for regular use within a home environment. The setup process proved to be straightforward. With clear step-by-step instructions and the assistance of my smartphone, installation was completed efficiently. The HP Smart app provides thorough guidance throughout, making it accessible even for individuals new to printer installation. Following setup, I proceeded to load the paper tray, a task which is simple and easily managed. Establishing a Wi-Fi connection was similarly uncomplicated, and the stable wireless connectivity allows for convenient printing from various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The print quality is particularly impressive. Colors are vibrant, sharp, and true to life, while text documents are clear and professional. The printer delivers high-quality results, whether printing family photographs, academic materials, or standard office documents. The scanning and copying functions are equally user-friendly, producing crisp, high-resolution scans and copies with minimal effort. An additional advantage is the inclusion of 3 months of complimentary HP Instant Ink, which provides cost savings on ink supplies and helps prevent unexpected depletion. In summary, I am very satisfied with the HP Envy 6120E. It is aesthetically pleasing, space efficient, and straightforward to set up, while consistently producing remarkable print quality. For those seeking a dependable all-in-one printer for their home or workspace, this model merits serious consideration.